Abu Dhabi can have a yacht show that can rate among the best in the world, and I can see it in the future to become the Monaco show of Europe, to be the Abu Dhabi show of the Middle East.
The reason that we chose to come to the Abu Dhabi Boat Show is because we now believe, and I think it's been proven, that both Dubai and Abu Dhabi have become destinations.
Today I met many persons who did not come to Dubai but came to Abu Dhabi and who are always coming to the Monaco Yacht Show, which is for me the reference.
Abu Dhabi is the city where you see the marina industry going. All the marinas being developed over here, and it's not just talks, it's happening over here.
We wanted to come and support Abu Dhabi, where we have a number of very important clients, and also to explore the market here and see whether there's ways we can actually, expand our market share.
The show can definitely not double next year. I really hope it will triple next year.
This yacht show, I think, is a key part of growing interest in yachting in the Middle East. By focusing on the biggest and the best yachts, I think will quickly establish itself as the yacht show in the region.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this gala dinner. Thank you for attending, thank you for supporting the inaugural Abu Dhabi Yacht Show.
The Abu Dhabi Yacht Show would not have been possible without the tremendous support of the headline sponsor, the Abu Dhabi Tourism Authority. And two associate sponsors as well, Aldar Marinas and Oros. The Abu Dhabi Yacht Show is proud to support the Donate a Brick campaign tonight. Again, the Abu Dhabi Yacht Show is proud to support the Emirates Marine Environmental Group tonight. I would like to donate a further 75,000 dirhams.
This is the beginning of something I believe will be fantastic.